just before I get onto the test cuts and anything, I've just been having to play around a little bit. Now it's vented outside, it's brilliant, can hardly smell nothing, but just doing a few little doodles on the scrap wood. And also I thought I'd try some slate to see how that comes out. Let's grab that. Quite good. Anyway, I've just got to go down and get some calipers that I ain't got down here, because I've got to measure some stuff as well to add to the design to get the speaker cables through. So yeah, be back in the mo, and I'll flip that board over and do a test cut of a box on it. Right, I've got it all set up for the test cut. There's the little box. I've just framed it. Hold it, I better make sure I've got it on cut. I bet I ain't. Yes, I have. Line cutting. Do a quick preview. And that should do that. About 4 minutes it should take to cut that box. Just going to make sure I've got the perimeters. I'm going to frame it. That looks like it's about on the plate. So I'm going to start cutting it. And this is my very first cut. So we'll see how it goes. Certainly ramped up the old exhaust. Anyway, I'm going to leave that cutting, and I'll see how the fingers and that come out. It's only a small 50mm box. I've got my calipers and I've got the stuff ready to set up for the sound system for the video jukebox. So we do that after the box is cut out, so I can show you that as well. Not quite sure if the audio is going to come out on this one, because my wireless mic has just decided to pack up, but there's the cut, so you can see that. Now, how did it cut? Oh my god, straight out. And it did mark the bed as well, yeah. I should have put something down there to stop it marking the bed, but never mind. Maybe I put another bit of wood underneath it or something, but yeah, that's the way it came out. I'm quite happy with that. That went together really well. Very tight fingers as well, so that proves the kerf is correct. But yeah, that cut well. Right, in the video that I'm putting just before this one, you would have seen me do the first laser cut that I tried, and I'm still, as I said, I'm brand new to laser, and I'm still playing around with the settings because I've read they are a bit conservative. So I've altered a few things, and I've just tried some other stuff. That's line engraving, and that was the actual image engraving, but I traced that image so I could get it to line engrave, which I am quite pleased with. And that's just another little starfighter thing. And this down here, we'll see, because I was thinking about stencils, so and I changed the cutting speed on that, and that still worked. I kept the temperature the same and upped the speed, but that seems to have worked okay. So that will make a nice stencil for maybe some artwork on the side of the video jukebox, or I can sort of do a oh yeah, of course they come off, don't they? And it's still marked the wood underneath it on 100%, so I'm going to play with that to see whether I can get the laser power down or the speed up. So we'll have a play with that, or I could do a little sort of, I don't know what these bits are. Oh, of course, that's the centre of that, isn't it? So yeah, I could do a little 3D image like that, stick it on, maybe something like that. Could paint it and then glue it into place, but I'm going to be playing around with this a bit more and the software until I get used to it. And I also want to try for stencils. I've got some black card. I was hoping to get some black mica sheet, but I'll have to have a look on Amazon or something for that. But yeah, and so, and the next, after I've played around, the next thing I want to start do is actually start cutting the jukebox, but and playing with that. Now I've got the electronics test done and everything seems to be okay on that level, and I'm sure them speakers and the sub will sound better in a box. So right, let's play around with this some more. Right, I've been mucking around, and the one thing I would say is do material tests, because I've written a load of settings I tried down there, and I've also written them on the board. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. And yeah, with the cutting of the 3mm basswood, I was able to double the speed and it had still cut through. And I tried some black card underneath to make stencils, which should look quite good if spray painted or airbrushed on. And yeah, so just the default settings seem really conservative, so I'm going to carry on playing a little bit, create some custom materials with the speeds that I've found, and we'll see how we go from there.